When installing top caps, we recommend you follow this order. Start with your horizontal top caps. To install the P11 horizontal top cap, the measurement is the same measurement as the plank. Engage the P11 top cap into the P11 backplate and install it using the supplied hammer block. Next, to install your vertical top caps, measure from the bottom of the P41 to the top of the horizontal top cap already installed. This would apply whether you're installing a P12 vertical termination or a P10 inside or outside corner top cap. Engage the top caps into the appropriate backplates and install using the supplied hammer block. And that's it. That concludes our first segment of the general installation of our FastPlank system. If you need any more support, check out our FastPlank installation guide or contact us for technical support. Our installation support team is always happy to help. Thank you for choosing our FastPlank system.